Hi there, my name is Nigel Halstead and I'm a project leader for Make Plus. I'm here to talk to you about our laser cutting machines that we have here at the CARI Lab. We have two machines. We have a Versa laser for small jobs and a larger Epilogue laser machine for bigger jobs. Essentially the difference between the two is the work envelope and the power requirement for the laser. So this one has a little bit stronger laser in it so it can cut a little bit deeper. For those of you who may not be familiar with this technology, essentially what it enables us to do is create high precision cuts in materials of varying thickness below, I guess, about half an inch, maybe even less, maybe a quarter of an inch thick. We actually use these a lot for making labels for our prototypes. So here's an example of a piece of plastic material which was cut out. All these patterns on this material were cut out using the laser cutter, and what it does is essentially this material is a sort of a composite. It has a white plastic with a blue overlay, and what the laser does is it burns away the blue overlay, and what is left is a really nice, high quality, sort of production looking output. So we essentially use this technology for, like I was saying earlier, a lot of our prototypes, when we finish them, they need a user interface, and part of that is labeling. So if we're labeling, let's say, a pendant or an enclosure or something like that, we can make these really nice, high quality labels and backgrounds for switchboards and all sorts of things. We can also use it for cutting different materials. We've even cut plastic materials and made very small, high precision plastic gears for experimental devices that we've used. So it has a variety of applications, but I would say that we use it mostly for user interface, label design, and switchboard design. So as far as skills to use this type of equipment, we use primarily CorelDRAW for the file types that we download onto these machines. I think any type of graphical layout experience would be an asset to doing the design of the files that would then be used by these machines. I guess in closing, these aren't the most glamorous machines, but they do provide us the ability to create a user experience which is going to be closer to a production product than perhaps we might be able to without these types of equipment. So in that respect, I think it offers tremendous value and benefit to ourselves and our clients for our projects.